I'm Toomas Lepik from Tartu, Estonia, and I am a slam MC. I'm a co-organizer and a MC for slam series in Tartu called Tar Slam. Also, as I play a little bit blues harp, I occasionally do musical collaborations with poets. Our first goal was to create the community, the slam community, the people. Now we have a nicely growing group of people. It got its own breathing, so to say. It's like an organism. We try to have a slam event every month. We have about 8 to 12 participants. Poets come up on stage, read their own stuff for 3 minutes, very traditional, so to say, slam rules. And my work is to hold the show together and keep the flow going, the energy pumping. We work together with international slam community. We were in Budapest, where the Slam European finals were held. Next year we're gonna go to Italy. So the slam is like flowering in Tartu right now. I'm happy for it.